Hey everyone, if you are an Indian doctor looking for work abroad, then this video is for you. In this video, I will gonna compare top 5 countries UK, USA, Canada, Australia and Ireland on the basis of PR options, salary requirement, exam requirements and visa process. If you want information regarding to this or any of your friends want to know about this, then please share this video and subscribe my channel Immigrate Smart with Gayatri. So first of all, we will gonna talk about USA. USA is everyone's favorite country, so we will start from there. Why to choose USA? USA offers best career growth and opportunities. Doctor can earn about 1.5 crore per year. After few years of work, doctors can apply for green card, that is a pathway to PR. If we talk about visa fees is 1.5 lakh plus. Visa process is tough, but the salary is very high. So USA is out of everyone is the best option. And what are the requirements? It is a stepwise process. Step 1, you have to clear USML exam. Second, you have to apply for CS. You have to clear that. Third, you have to register for complete residency training. And after this, you have to apply in H1B visa or J1 visa. If you want more salary and don't mind studying more, then USA is the बेस्ट ऑप्शन. तो फ्रेंड्स, अब हम बात करने वाले हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बारे में. Why to choose Australia? Easy PR and high salary. So basically in Australia you can get PR in 3-4 years if you are working as a doctor, and you can earn a very good salary. Like junior doctor can earn 60 lakh plus and a senior specialist can earn more than 1 crore plus per year. And there is very less competition in comparison to UK and US. If we talk about fees is also low, that is 35,000 plus for visa fees and other charges are also. Now we will talk about requirements. What are the steps and what you have to do to go to Australia and work? First of all, you have to pass the exam, AMC, Australian Medical Council. Then you have to do AFRA registration, AHPRA registration. After that, you have to apply for jobs in Australia and then you have to apply subclass 482 visa. So friends, if you want easy PR and high salary, then Australia is best option. So friends, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे आउट ऑफ रैंडम में UK, USA, आयरलैंड इन सब के कंपैरिजन की वीडियो डॉक्टर्स के लिए क्यों बना रही हूँ. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो. अगर आपके माइंड में कोई क्वेश्चन है या आप कुछ पर्टिकुलर किसी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जानना चाहते हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो. मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे आप मैसेज कर सकते हो, फेसबुक पे, जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. तो अब हम बात करेंगे यूके के बारे में, यूनाइटेड किंगडम. व्हाई टू चूज यूके? सो फ्रेंड्स, इट इज हाईली कॉम्पिटिटिव बट popular option because it offers best career growth options and training opportunity. You have to give PLAB exam here until or unless you have a degree that is accepted here or you have GMC approved training. And doctors can earn a very good amount of money here, around 40 to 60 lakh for junior doctor and 1 crore or plus for senior specialist. If I talk about visa fees, that is around 55,000 plus. And requirements you have to give IELTS requirement is 7.5 overall and individual in English, in like speaking, listening, reading and writing you have to achieve 7 in each. After that, you have to give PLAB 1 and PLAB 2 exam. Then you have to register with GMC, that is General Medical Council. After that, you have to apply for skilled worker visa. So it will be a long process and you have to work hard to get a job as a doctor in UK. But if you don't mind giving plan or meeting these requirements, then UK is one of the best option as it offers training opportunities and best career growth. अब हम बात करने वाले हैं आयरलैंड के बारे में. Why to choose Ireland? So I would like to tell you that this is the easiest option. And one more good point, that no PLAB or USML exam required if you have more than 3 years of experience as a doctor. And you can get PR in 5 years and citizenship in 8 years. One more good point, that work pressure is low in comparison to UK and US. If I talk about fees is also less, 35,000 plus. And if we're gonna talk about the requirement, then I have already told told you, no PLAB or USML exam required, and you have to give IELTS, and you will require 7 band overall in reading, writing, listening and speaking, and you have to register with IMC, Irish Medical Council. Then you have to apply for critical work visa. After that you can come Ireland and work. So it is the easiest option. If you wanna get PR, want a simpler process, then Ireland is the bestest option. तो दोस्तों, अगर आपकी फैमिली में या आपका कोई फ्रेंड इस फील्ड से रिलेटेड है तो ये वीडियो उनके साथ शेयर कर देना, ताकि उनको बाहर के ऑप्शंस के बारे में भी पता लगे. सो अब हम बात करेंगे कनाडा के बारे में. Why to choose Canada? If you want easy PR and good salary and great work-life balance, then Canada is the best option. You can get PR or residency in almost 3 years, and doctors can earn a good amount. If they are working as a junior doctor, they can earn around 50 lakh per year, and as a specialist they can earn 1 crore plus in Canada. And quality of life and work-life balance is the greatest part of working in Canada. If I talk about the fees is around 50,000 plus, and if I talk about requirement, then you have to pass MCCQE exam, that is Medical Council of Canada, and then you have to apply for residency, or you can directly apply for a job offer. Then you have to apply for work visa and PR. So if you want easy PR and great work-life balance, then Canada is the good option. Every country has its pros and cons, but if you want easy process, then Ireland is the best option. And if you want high salary, then USA is the good option. And if you want easy PR and good country, then Australia and Canada are the best options. Then if you want great career options and training opportunities, then UK is the best option. I think after all this discussion and watching the full video, you guys can decide which country is best for you. And if you have any question or something regarding to this topic, please leave your comment or question in the comment section. We'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.